Alright, so now I'm starting to work on this 70 Wildcat. So what I'm using is the aircraft remover, and I want to strip this lacquer off of here, get this lacquer off of here, and what I'm going to just do, some of these panels are starting to rust and others are not. So what I want to do is get the panels that's starting to rust and prime, because this car will be sitting outside until I get ready to paint it. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with this car with the interior. So especially the headrest and all of these pieces here, they are they metal. So some of the pieces, or maybe all of them, might fit in the sandblaster that I got there. But if not, if they're too long, these longer pieces here, if they're too long, I'm gonna take them in somewhere, because I want both sides sandblasted, because it's starting to rust inside of there. Now I could just sand the outside. I could just sand the outside and pour 15 the inside, which honestly I might end up doing, because this car, I mean, I like it. But the convertible that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to stick so much time and money in that one that I think the Wildcat here, I'm changing the color. I'm not going to paint it red. It almost looked like a candy, but it's Mitsubishi color. It almost looked like a candy, but you know, it's like a burgundy, but it's a real nice car. I painted my convertible that color. I like that color, so that's what I'm going to be doing with this car. It's going to be, you know, white and burgundy on the inside. Like I said, I think I'm going to put bucket seats in here and get rid of that nasty old bench seat. Put the buckets in this one. So probably won't go with the original. I won't go with the original you know, interior design. I'll probably this is going to be kind of a custom car, but I don't like going all out on my cars, you know, like changing them, because this car probably will be rolling with original Buick rims on there. I mean, I like keeping them somewhat original, but when the interior is in the condition this one in, I'm just going to change it up. And you know, honestly, if I ever got a car that was original, I would never butcher and chop that car up, you know, if it was original. But all the cars I got, they're not original, so I kind of customize the interior, since I do interior, you know. So, but I just want to get a couple of these panels in prime. The hood, I want to get that in prime. The top, these fenders, and I just want to get some of this stuff in prime and stop it from rusting anymore, because you know, I mean, the paint jobs can go quick. I can actually have this car done within a year or so, but I got too many other projects that I want to finish first. But I don't want this one constantly rusting out on me. So, all right, that's it for tonight. you like these videos, subscribe, and keep up with what I'm doing. All right. Have a good day. Bye.